Hi, I'm Daniel on behalf of Expert Village. In this clip, we're actually going to be chiseling out the wood for our strike plate. Now, I'm using a 3/4 inch wood chisel and a hammer. All we need to do is line our chisel up. We don't want to go on the outside of the line because the line was obviously on the outside of our strike, so it's going to be a little bit larger. So we want to try and stay just on the inside of it as we chisel it out. And we're going to do that along the entire perimeter of our outline. Again, just squaring up these corners. They should line right up. Okay, now that I've made a basic outline with my chisel, I'm going to go through and I'm going to go through a little bit deeper so that when I chisel up through there, we don't end up cracking any farther than the exterior. So as we chisel up through, we want to make sure to eyeball it and not go any deeper than that. We're just going to lightly go up through our wood, and you'll notice that it cracks right up to our chisel mark and it's going to stay pretty even all the way through. We can do the same thing when going down. Again, just eyeball it and then take it slow. Again, we took out the proper amount of wood, and we can go over to the other edge and do basically the same thing. This one you want to be extra careful on because, again, you're going a different grain than you were going up, and you'll have a tendency to want to split the wood out. And once you've done that, you simply just need to clean out the excess wood. Make sure you don't have any high spots. If you do have high spots, you'll know as soon as you get your latch in. So we simply place that in there and see if we're flush. At this point, we're a little bit less than flush. So we need to take out just a little bit more wood.